Hello, here I am back again with a new free video tutorial guide on generative artificial intelligence or generative AI project management. This video is a continuation to my last video on AI project management, and it fully concentrates on generative AI projects. The phenomenal growth and future potentials of generative AI projects on one hand, and the lack of suitable videos on generative AI project management have motivated me to prepare this video as a basic guide along with some valuable tips and resources. The video starts with an overview of generative AI projects and points out the differences with traditional data science and machine learning projects. This is followed by the introduction of large language model LLM and LLMOps, a new methodology or framework to streamline LLM workflows for developing, deploying, and maintain LLMs in the production. The need and advantages of LLM ops and its difference with MLOps have also been brought out here. Again, several uncertainties and risks are associated with generative AI projects, as the types of these projects are quite new and involve huge volumes of data that requires efficient management. These uncertainties and risks are well explained in a separate section to highlight their significance. Finally, information on number of different types of resources are provided for a thorough readiness towards a successful completion of generative AI projects. Please keep the patience to watch this short video till the end to get to know all the important sections. But at the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video to inspire me to bring out more such free videos for your benefit.
Imagine a computer that can compose music, paint masterpieces, and even write poetry. This is the power of generative AI. It's a new frontier in artificial intelligence. Generative AI empowers computers to create. They don't just analyze data, they generate new content. It's like teaching a machine to be an artist or a composer. Generative AI projects focus on creating these amazing AI models. These models can produce text, images, music, and more. Think of it as giving a machine a set of tools and letting it build something incredible. These projects are different from traditional data science or machine learning projects. Traditional projects analyze existing data to make predictions. For instance, predicting customer churn or stock prices. Generative AI, on the other hand, creates something entirely new. It's about unleashing the potential of AI to imagine and innovate. Generative AI is already changing the world. It's used to create realistic images for movies and video games. It's composing music that rivals human composers. It's even helping scientists develop new drugs and materials. The possibilities are truly endless.
Welcome to Section 4, Understanding Large Language Models, or LLMs. These fascinating models are a type of generative AI trained on massive text datasets. This training enables them to understand and generate human-like text. Think of them as superpowered chatbots that can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. LLMs work by learning the patterns and relationships between words in the text data. They use this knowledge to predict the next word in a sequence. This ability to predict words allows them to generate coherent and grammatically correct text. They can even adapt their writing style to match different prompts and contexts. Examples of LLMs include GPT-3, BERT, and Lambda. These models have achieved remarkable results in various language-based tasks. They can generate creative content, translate languages with high accuracy, and even write different types of creative content. Now let's move on to Section 5, LLM operations, or LLMOps, which is all about streamlining the LLM workflow. Developing and deploying LLMs is a complex process. This is where LLMOps comes in. LLMOps stands for Large Language Model Operations. It's a set of practices and tools that streamline the LLM workflow. Think of it as DevOps for LLMs. LLMOps addresses the unique challenges of managing and deploying LLMs. This includes managing the vast datasets used to train LLMs, tracking different versions of LLM models, and ensuring the reliability and scalability of LLM applications. Here's how LLMOps differs from traditional MLOps. Data management: LLMs require massive text datasets, which can be challenging to manage. LLMOps provides tools and techniques for efficiently storing, processing, and versioning these datasets. Model versioning: LLMs are constantly evolving. LLMOps helps track different versions of LLM models and easily roll back to previous versions if needed. Inference optimization: LLMs can be computationally expensive to run. LLMOps focuses on optimizing the inference process to ensure fast and efficient responses from LLM applications. The advantages of LLMOps are numerous. It helps organizations develop and deploy LLM applications faster. It ensures the reliability and scalability of LLM applications. And it enables continuous improvement of LLM models over time.
In Section 6, we'll be navigating the risks and uncertainties of generative AI. While generative AI offers incredible potential, it's important to be aware of the risks and uncertainties associated with it. Let's explore some of these challenges. Accuracy: generative AI models can sometimes generate inaccurate or misleading information. It's crucial to have mechanisms in place to evaluate and validate the output of these models. Prompt engineering: the quality of the output generated by LLMs heavily depends on the prompts they receive. Crafting effective prompts is an art that requires careful consideration and experimentation. Data quality: generative AI models learn from the data they are trained on. If the training data is biased or incomplete, the model's output will reflect those biases. Fine-tuning generative AI models for specific tasks can be challenging and may require significant expertise. It's important to strike a balance between fine-tuning and maintaining the model's overall capabilities. Ethics: generative AI raises ethical concerns, such as the potential for misuse, the creation of deepfakes, and the impact on human creativity and jobs. It's essential to use this technology responsibly and ethically. By acknowledging and addressing these risks and uncertainties, we can harness the power of generative AI for good and mitigate potential negative consequences.
Finally, in Section 7, let's talk about essential resources for Generative AI Project Management. Navigating the world of generative AI and LLMs can feel like embarking on an expedition into uncharted territory. To equip you for this journey, here are some valuable resources that can serve as your compass and map. Top 5 tools. 1. Hugging Face Transformers, a comprehensive library for training and using state-of-the-art LLMs. 1. Google AI Platform, a cloud-based machine learning service for building and deploying AI models, including LLMs. 1. OpenAI API provides access to powerful LLMs like GPT-3 for various language-based tasks. 1. TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework for developing and deploying AI models. 1. PyTorch, another popular open-source machine learning framework for AI development. Useful websites. 1. Towards Data Science, a Medium publication featuring articles and tutorials on data science, machine learning, and AI. 1. Machine Learning Mastery, a blog by Jason Brownlee, providing practical advice and resources for machine learning. 1. Analytics, Vidya, a community-driven platform for data science and analytics professionals. 1. KD Nuggets, a leading website covering the latest news, trends, and resources in AI, machine learning, and data science. 1. AI Weekly, a newsletter curating the most important AI news and research. Ebooks. 1. Deep Learning with Python by Francois Chollet, a comprehensive guide to deep learning with a focus on practical applications. 1. Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras and TensorFlow by Aurélien Geron, a practical guide to machine learning with popular Python libraries. 1. Generative Deep Learning by David Foster, an in-depth exploration of generative models and their applications. 1. The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingos. A thought-provoking book on the future of machine learning and AI. 1. Superintelligence by Nick Bostrom. A book that explores the potential risks and benefits of artificial intelligence. These resources provide a starting point for your generative AI journey, providing insights, tools, and knowledge to help you succeed.